Hey guys, and welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll show you what the Kind Patches Barbarian weight loss patches are, what they offer, and how to use them. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the Kind Patches or the Kind Patches websites, the Barbarian patches, formerly known as the GLP-1 patches, are transmental or transdermal wellness patches designed to support appetite control, healthy metabolism, and weight management. The company says that the patches provides a gradual release of plant-based ingredients throughout the skin, making them an alternative for traditional pills or gummies. If you want to know, as example, the ingredients done or included, you will find them here as you can see. So each ingredient, what it does, how much of its example included here on the websites. Other than that, you scroll down as you can see a bit, you'll find why Berberian patches, so what it does exactly. Here, as you can see, you'll find an example after 1 month of use, you'll have reduced hunger. After 2 months, boosts fullness and balance. Then the weight loss or healthy weight loss after 3 months. So those are the things that's said by the website. So you'll find here a comparison between pills, gummies, and those kind patches if you want to know that. And of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to carefully review the product's information and the ingredient list, since wellness products may affect everyone differently. It's always a good idea to do your own research and make sure the product is suitable for your individual needs before placing it. And how to use it according to the website. As you can see, so a berberine patches can be worn up to hours, designed for single use, and you'll need to apply new patch each. So you'll have to gently remove the patch from its backing and place it on a clean, hair-free area of your skin to ensure proper application. Avoid applying lotion or creams to the application. And of course, you would like to avoid stretching the skin prior to application because this will help maintain natural tension and prevent tension blisters, ensuring a smoother application process. According to the websites as well, how to remove. So basically, you have the wet removal method. The wet removal method can reduce adhesive of the patch, making it easier to remove. Simply moisten the area well before attempting to remove the patch, and using oil for enhanced removal. Oil helps deactivate the adhesive, allowing for an even smoother removal. You can apply oil to the area before removing patches. Now, if you want to continue or if you decide to purchase those patches, choose the package that you want or visit the official website, choose the package that you want, and click on Add to Cart. Once you add this, go to the checkout, and of course from there, enter your shipping information, also with your payments information, and follow any other on-screen instructions. But before completing your purchase, always review carefully the pricing, subscription options, shipping information, and any other additional information that is needed. Taking a few extra minutes to read the product's details and doing your own research is always recommended. The websites also state that the subscription can be skipped, delayed, or canceled at any time, so keep that in mind. And if you have any questions before purchasing, you can also review the frequently asked questions section that you will find at the bottom of the page. It has or answered some questions. Of course, also the review of other people and everything that you may want. Also, if you want any other thing, that you will find it here on this list, like getting support and any other thing. And of course, as with any wellness or weight management products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have an existing medical condition or taking some prescription medication. Also, make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.